Now we're going to go ahead and illustrate why using one single model with proxies is a great idea, and that's because of how we can actually set the type. Inside of the proxy itself, we can override the save method for each proxy that we want to use. So define save, takes in self args and keyword args. We do self.type, and this is equal to playlist dot playlist type choices. In this case, it's dot show, and then we run the super method of save and args and keyword args. This, of course, is going to give me the default save method that the playlist model has, as well as models.model have. So all sorts of good things going on here. Next one would be the actual season itself. Okay. And then, of course, we want to call this season. And then I also need another proxy for the movie. So I might as well add that now. I'm going to go ahead and copy the TV show proxy and change that to just movie proxy on both cases, the manager as well as the proxy itself, of course. And then we want to filter this by movie. I do not care if the parent is null or not. I just want to make sure that it is a type of movie, because in most cases I will not be adding a parent to the movie itself. Okay, there we go. So I've made a bunch of changes. Let's run python manage.py, make migrations. And oops, I got TV show proxy manager is not defined. I didn't update that one. Should have done that. Try that again. And then python manage.py migrate. Very good. Next thing, I'm going to go ahead and update my admin for the movie itself. And then class movie proxy admin, admin.model admin, class meta, model equals to that movie proxy. I'm going to go ahead and use the standard. Actually, let's go ahead and grab the fields and the list display from the TV proxy. Okay, and then let's go ahead and get the query set, much like we've seen before. This time, of course, just using movie proxy.objects.all. Okay, cool. And then with the movie, I accidentally made a mistake and put TV show here. This should say movie and movies. Let's run our migrations again, and then finally migrate everything and run test. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look in the admin. Let's run our server. Okay, so playlists, great. I don't think I added the movie proxy admin yet. So let's make sure we add that one in. Admin.site.register, and of course movie proxy and movie proxy admin. Okay, there we go. So we've got movies, playlists, seasons, TV shows. Let's go ahead and add a new season to The Office. Go ahead and do season 4. Season 4. Hit save. TV show Office, season 4, showing up as intended. Let's go back into playlists. No playlist showing up right now. Currently seasons. We got season 4. Very, very good. Cool. So one of the questions might be, can I actually just use the admin to override the save methods? Absolutely, but it doesn't really make sense here, right? It actually makes sense, much more sense, to do it in the save method. So anytime I save a quote-unquote new movie, it automatically saves it as that playlist type. This is great. This is exactly what we want to have happen.